and welcome to 2-Minute Info. In today's video, we're again back to Scratch. So in Scratch, today we're going to learn about how you can change the sprite, how you can change the background, and how you can paint the sprite and how you can paint the background. So let's begin. When you want to change a sprite, you want to first click on this icon here. It will bring you up to this. Now you can choose any type of sprite you want. You can add more than one sprite, but in one turn, like in one time, you can only add one sprite. So say I want to have a person, so I'm going to go here in people. So there are only people in here. And I want astronaut, rightly, so I can get it in. Now I want to delete this scratch cat. It's pretty boring. So I'm going to click on this icon. It says a trash. So I'm going to delete it. And we only have rightly. For the background, we can click on this icon here. And it will bring us to this. Say I first want my astronaut to be in a blue sky thingy, like a backdrop, so I can click on that one. It changes the backdrop right away. Now I might want to go here on backdrops. I can see there's a blank backdrop, there's a blue sky backdrop. I don't want to color that in. And let's add a galaxy backdrop because I really want a space one. So now I have typed it up on the search bar. I can see the galaxy one. I can click it and we have this. This looks quite nice, so I'm gonna stick with it. But what if you want to paint it yourself? So again, we are on this backdrop tab, and here we have got several offers. If you want to add, a painting backdrop, then you could click on this. It shows you many different choices. You can click on this paintbrush icon, and this will bring you up to this. Now say I want a green background, for example, so I can always select the color here and select this painting thingy, like the bucket, and I can convert it to bitmap. And then when I do this, it will be filled in with green. Now the reason I did it on bitmap is that on vector it normally doesn't happen. Say I want it to be blue. If I do it, it really doesn't work. I'm tapping it, it doesn't work. So that's why I like it as the bitmap, because then it will turn to blue. So that's why I chose that. I still want it to be green, so I'm going to put it green. Good. Now we can go on Ripley. Say these are all the costumes of Ripley. Say I want to change or draw a sprite, so I can click on this icon and go to paint, just as we did in the backdrops. And now maybe I just want to get an emoji or something, so let's do a paintbrush thingy, and let's turn this to yellow. Oh, I already got a dot there. So say this is my circle, this is my little smiley face. So that's what I wanted. So yeah, so that's how you can draw it. If you would like, you can fill it in with orange, maybe. I'm just gonna go to red, stick with red. So this is my sprite. It might look weird, but you can do it like this. So this is how you can delete a sprite, you can paint a sprite, you can choose the backdrop, you can choose the sprite. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something with this. So see you in my next video. Bye!